Balance of payments and international investment position. Australia. The current account balance, seasonally adjusted, fell $7.940 meters to a deficit of $158 million. The capital and financial account surplus was $3,124 million. A turnaround of $20,000 to $161 million on the June. The net international investment liability position.
Bitcoin overtakes Berkshire, gold dumped off record pump, bonds and big tech slump another day. Another set of shitty data dragged U.S. macro surprise index down to lowest since May. And before today's surge in the dollar and bond yields, financial conditions had dramatically eased to their loosest since early August. Emerging Markets-Latam stocks, FX set for worst session since October on dollar recovery, commodity weakness. By Johan M. Sharian. December 4th, Reuters, currencies and stocks in resources-rich Latin America fell on Monday as commodity prices declined, while a resurgent U.S. dollar added further pressure. MSCI's gauge for Latin American currencies. MILA 00000 CUS weakened 0.9% against the dollar, while MSCI's equities index for the region. MILA 00000 PUS lost 1.7%. Both indexes were on track for their biggest daily decline since October. Interactive Brokers client base surges past 2.5 million. Interactive Brokers LLC, Nasdaq, IBKR, saw 1.89 million daily average revenue trades, or DARTs, in November 2023 compared to 1.93 million transactions in the prior month. The figure is 3% lower on a yearly basis, and also dropped slightly from a month earlier. In terms of equity balance in customers' accounts during November 2023, the figure totaled $404.3 billion, higher by 27% on a yearly basis. Interactive Brokers also managed to beat its October equivalent, having notched a 10% increase relative to $367 billion the prior month. Inflation in Japan's capital slows in November. Tokyo, core consumer inflation in Japan's capital Tokyo, considered a leading indicator of nationwide trends, hit 2.3% in November, slowing from the previous month and a sign of easing cost-push pressure in the world's third-largest economy. The data will be among factors scrutinized by the Bank of Japan, BOJ, when it meets for a two-day policy meeting concluding on December 19. 2024 Global Outlook, the big picture. Our outlook for 2024 is for a gradual U-shaped recovery composed of seemingly chaotic movements in economic data with turning points in policy rates and earnings growth. Although we're accustomed to defining investment environments in calendar years, 2024 may not fit that approach very well. We expect that there may be a turning point in policy rates and earnings growth, but they may not be easy to identify in real time. Investors may have to step back a bit to see the bigger picture and look beyond the noise and volatility. Thank you.